4 arrow illusion. Okay. So this is 4 arrows facing outside. Return button. 4 arrows facing inside. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay?
Okay.
So, 4 arrow inside face பண்ணிருக்கு. அதை அப்படியே turn பண்ணி ஒரு arrow facing outside. Another one inside இருக்கு. அதே outside face பண்ணிருக்கு. Another one inside இருக்கு. Facing outside. This card also facing outside. Okay. So one of these arrow inside இப்போ invisible turn ஆகுது. Yes. Invisible inside turn ஆகுது. Just watch. Yes. Watch here. A white arrow appears, it facing inside. Right?
Yes.
So remember this white arrow. Okay?
Okay.
So the arrow face down பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன். The arrow inside turn பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன். Okay? இப்போ black arrow பெருசா white arrow பெருசா?
Black. Same.
ரெண்டுமே same. Right?
Yes.
Please watch. Now the white arrow is larger than 4 times with this black arrow.
Super.
How is it?
Super.